If you have some problems with login on Facebook, it may be a problem with Facebook server, and in that video I'm going to show you how to check if it really is. So all you have to do, you need to open up your Safari browser and write down in the search bar Facebook down and hit search, and now there you have to click on that link to open up site-downdetector.com, and there on the top it says that user reports indicate no current problems at Facebook, and also you can look down on that page and see here Facebook outages reported in the last 24 hours, and also you can report your problem right here. You can report problem with app, website or login. If you can't log in on Facebook, you can hit on login, and basically that's it. You just send it, report on that website, and it will be too much reports. You will see it on the graph, and also you will see it down below in the comment. People will write that right now they has problems with Facebook. So on that website you can make sure if Facebook has right now problems with servers or not, and hit the like button if this information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.